In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Google Calendar as a PDF step by step so you can save your schedule, share your availability, or keep a clean copy for records. This is a super useful trick if you need to print your calendar, send it to someone, or archive a specific date range without having to take screenshots or copy everything manually. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. This works best in a desktop browser, so if you're on a laptop or PC, you're in the right place. Once Google Calendar opens, look at the top right or top area of the screen and choose the view you want to save. You can switch between day, week, month, or year view depending on how much of your schedule you want in the PDF. If you only want one day, use day view. If you want a broader overview, week or month view may be better. If you need a bigger timeline, you can even use year view. After choosing your view, navigate to the exact day or time period you want to export. Use the arrows or date picker in Google Calendar to move to the correct day, week, month, or year. This step matters because whatever is currently visible on your screen is what will be included in the PDF printout. So take a moment to make sure you're on the right section of your calendar before continuing. Next, click the settings icon, which looks like a gear or a small cog. From the menu that appears, select Print. This opens the calendar print settings, where you can prepare the layout before saving it as a file. Once the print preview loads, take a quick look at the settings on the side. You may want to adjust things like the date range, layout, or formatting, depending on how your calendar is displayed. If the preview looks too crowded or not quite right, this is the moment to fine-tune it. Now go to the destination option. By default, this might be set to a printer, but we don't want to print on paper. Instead, click Destination and choose Save to PDF. This tells your computer that you want to create a digital PDF file instead of sending it to a physical printer. Once that is selected, review the preview one more time to make sure everything looks correct. When you're happy with the layout, click Save. Your computer will then ask where you want to save the file. Choose the folder or location you want, give the file a name if needed, and then click Save again. In just a few seconds, your Google Calendar will be downloaded as a PDF and stored on your device. You can now open it, share it, upload it, or print it later whenever you need it. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded Google Calendar as a PDF. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.